Fargo, North Dakota. Phillips went into Love's to look for something for our bikes to put on our seats to help our butts endure this long trip we're on. Anyway, so I'm staying outside guarding the bikes. He's in there looking, and then we'll go from there. We may have to go across the street to the Flying J truck stop, see if they got anything if they don't have it here at Love's. But that's what we're aiming for. Uh-oh, he's got something in his hands. There we go. Awesome. I'm gonna go get me one now. Day 5, Alaska trip. We ended at Carrington, North Dakota. Philip and I have opted to stay in a hotel tonight to do some laundry and take a nice hot shower for a change. And the campground is local here, didn't have a shower available, so that's why we opted for the hotel. So like I said, we're getting some laundry done. We rode 253 miles today. I was thinking about going straight up to the North Portal to cross into Canada, but there's fires going on up there. So not sure if that's going to happen, if they got it closed or they're going to let people in, because the fires are right looks like above and to the east of where we need to go in. So it looks like there's only one fire to the west after you get up in there, so I'm not sure if that lets you go in or not. We may have to go over a little bit more to the west towards Montana. There's another Canadian crossing before you get to Montana, and then there's one right after you get to Montana. So there's 3 to choose from. We'll see which one will let us in. I'll have to call in the morning and call and find out which ones are open. So this, if we have to go further to the west towards Montana, that'll add another day to our trip to getting into Canada. So y'all take care and stay nice and dry out there in Indiana land when it rains. stopped at the little leg stretch place here on Highway 200 in North Dakota. And if you look at that roof, we are in McCluskey, North Dakota. Just a little bitty bird. Little dot on the map probably. And basically the whole way all you see is these big silos, grain silos and stuff along the way, all the way. Starting to get hilly. According to the signs, we're in the midst of the Continental Divide. Oh, it's 60 degrees right now. Talk to y'all later.